Hi everyone, thanks for joining me. This is Catherine with Zen 7. Today I want to talk to you about what manifesting is. I had created a post on my Instagram page and it had asked some of my followers what they were interested in learning about, and one of the answers was manifesting. So let's get into it. Manifesting, simply put, is the art of creating a desired outcome. That's it. It's done internally, subjectively, within our own consciousness, and yet it's projected out into the vast universe for it to some point be brought back to us in the creation at which we had asked. I think it's really important to start talking about some of the history as to why people think manifesting could be this woo-woo thought process, or easily put, people just don't think it's real. It all starts with the philosophy in which you view the world, okay? Collectively, as a consciousness, the main consciousness or the most popular consciousness typically falls under what we would refer to as a Newtonian and Cartesian-based philosophy. And I'm going to make it really simple for you. All that's really saying within a scientific realm that what can be measured is what's real. Therefore, what can't be measured simply cannot be real. And this goes back to any scientific literature that you read, right? Everybody has to go through a specific protocol to prove that something does exist within our universe. Okay, so you first go through your hypothesis and so on and so forth, and then over time you do it and you repeat that experiment enough, you can see that the same outcome happens every single time, therefore it is measurable. So why is manifesting different from this? Now we're going to shift our perspective a little bit and talk about some modern physics. The way that people are thinking the universe might actually function on a subatomic level. I'm not going to get super deep in the weeds here, y'all. I'm just going to keep it really simple so that you kind of grasp how manifesting can work. A modern physicist named Thomas Young had performed an experiment called the double slit experiment. Again, not going to get into the details, but what he had been able to show is that the observer is what determines the outcome of the experiment. And this single-handedly just blew up what we had once known about our world. When we're looking at manifesting and we're trying to understand how this fits into that, it's pretty simple. It means that we are the creator of our own reality. The way in which we observe something is going to affect what is portrayed in our reality. And that is now shown in a scientific experiment. And so when you look out into the vast perspective, what you see is that our consciousness, with enough practice, with enough meditation, with enough awareness, with enough level of consciousness, we can tap into these various degrees of our reality and create.